Yung yellow, red na monster building guys. Ito na yun. Ayan. Ito na yun guys. Ito yung second.
I've been dreaming on in my head like I've seen it. A life worth living is a life with meaning. I'll do what I love till my heart stops beating. I'm feeding this demon. Got a taste, can't erase bitterness in my face. Work a job every day till your dreams fade away. Like a card, never change, play the game that we say. I need a break. Time staying strong, need to move on to be what I want. I'll keep dreaming on. Time staying strong, need to.
Guys, going to Monster Building. It's Taiko MTR station. Ayan guys. Taiko station. Ayan. City. Tapos. Maanohan niyo po yan. Ayan. Ito Taiko Primary School. Ayan. Straight lang, going straight. Walk straight guys. Kayo guys, madadaanan niyo itong 7-Eleven. Straight lang. Straight lang. Makikita niyo po yan. Welcome to McDo. Welcome to McDonald's. Tayo dito guys. Tapos ito. Dadaanan ito. Dito po yung welcome sa taas. Tapos McDonald's. Tayo dito po. Ano naman siya ng building. Pwede din dito pala guys. Dito din pala. Ayan. Kita nito. 148 minutes. Pasok tayo dito. Ayan. Ito na po yung Monster Building 1. Yung mga color-color na Monster Building. Ayan. Yung yellow, red na monster building guys. Ito na yun. Ayan. Ito na yun guys. Yung monster building. Ito yun. Monster building 1. Meron pa pong isa. Ayan. Tahan natin yung isa guys. So, labas tayo. Dito. Tahan natin yung immersion fun. Ayan. So guys, ano nyo kung hindi nyo. Ayan, bakery. Ayan, Gentle Bakery. Pasok ko din po dito. So, next guys is Monster Building 2. Yung pangalawa. Yung pangalawa guys, ito yung Dito nag-shooting yung Hello Love, Goodbye ni Alden at saka ni Kat. Ayan, guys, ito na yun. Ito tayo dito. Ayan, ito yun guys. Ito yun. Ito yung monster number. Dito nag-ano sila Alden at saka si Kat. Yung sa Hello Love Goodbye. Ayan. Ito yung second. Ayan. Ano guys?